The 2022 EasyGo RXV is a golf car for on and off the course. This model has been built for the golf course with essentials you will need for your day out. Most of the new models come equipped with headlights and taillights, so when the sun goes down, the party doesn't have to stop. The controls for the RXV are located in a cluster on the dash, right next to the key switch. You will also find your headlights there with a toggle switch as well as a state of charge meter that will let you know how much power you have left in your golf car. If you look at the 4 cup holders, you will see that there is a dual USB charging port above them. One of the most appealing things about this EasyGo RXV is that it comes with a lithium battery pack. This is a maintenance-free battery pack, meaning no more watering, no more corrosion on the terminals, and no more stains on your garage floor. These batteries are powered by Samsung SDI technology and feature an unprecedented 8-year warranty on them. That's standing by a brand you can trust. Lastly, you'll find an area in the rear for 2 standard-sized golf bags with straps at the top to secure them while you drive. If you're interested in an EasyGo RXV from Lake Erie Golf Cars, just give us a call at 216-763-2090, or you can visit us online at LakeErieGolfCars.com.